Remember this? I'm back at folding paper up to make a prototype of a bucket for a water wheel. This is the best I came up with yesterday. It's a little bit smaller, but it's an improvement. One of the things I figured out was that this should be square at the bottom. It's 1 inch by 1 inch, and the angle that I put the next part at is 45. I could see it across the square, and so I thought, why don't I just use 45? So I'll be consistent with that. Now I've laid 2 of these out. The only scrap so far has been what I cut out where I'm going to fold the hem up. And actually, I could have folded the hem up to this if I put a little bit of a V there, and I probably should have, because I think about every spot could use a hem because it strengthens it. But what I did on this one was I made it, this is 3 inches, I made this 2 inches, which freed up a ½ inch more here. Now this anyway, it's that ½ inch is so that that part right there will be this right there. So that wall will go up there, and I won't have to put a piece in there. Let me do some cutting, and then I'll stop before I fold. I didn't cut this at all yet, which maybe is a mercy, although this doesn't take long. This one looks lopsided. See, what I did was I cut that away, which would be the scrap. I didn't cut it here yet because I realized, wait a minute, I can fold that and use that scrap as a hem. And I was kind of sorry too that I cut this away, because I could have used that also as a hem. I'm trying to limit the scrap. And these 2 pieces, I could have used them. So far there wouldn't have been needed to be any scrap at all. But let's see what happens. So I'm going to leave it like this. I'll try the one side as a hem and the other side just loose. And we'll see what happens when I fold. There, the folds have been made and pressed. Not in that one. And I've taped the hems down. There. This, of course, is more narrow. This is the finished product. And, you know, it probably looks a little awkward being shaped like that. But if you understand that it's going to, let me see if I can hold, it's going to take water this way down its back into the bucket beyond it. And as it goes down, it'll hold water like this. And as it goes around the bottom, it'll drop that water out. That might help to understand. To be continued.